Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Honda. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2019 Honda Civic EX. Now of course this is the 1 litre petrol. You do get front parking sensors, LED daytime running lights. You then also get these brilliant piano black 17-inch alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern that you do get and of course the condition. Around to the rear now, we also have rear parking sensors. Your reverse camera is just at the top there. Into the tailgate, we have plenty of room inside of here as well, with 60/40 split folding rear seats, which will fold flat with this level just here. Then coming back out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. Into the back of the car, we've got full black leather interior with Isofix mounting points to the bottom, electric windows all around, keyless entry and start. Inside, we've then got your CVT gearbox in the middle, electric handbrake, brake hold, damper settings, econ mode, and then stop start off. Then you've got dual climate control in the front with front heated seats. Your climate can be operated via the touchscreen display as well. Whilst we are in here, you'll see we've got your satellite navigation. Of course, it has had the update done as part of prep. We've got your satellite navigation. We've got your various audio sources just here. And you also get Bluetooth hands-free and Apple CarPlay, Android Auto within this display all in one. Then over to the steering wheel, you've got your audio volume, onboard computer control, voice assistant, and then your Bluetooth hands-free. The arrows here work between the infotainment display and your onboard computer. Over to the right, you've got your adaptive cruise control settings with your lane keep assist, distance control, all within one area. You've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers. And then as you can see, this car has done 79,653 miles. Coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Honda Civic, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.